sisters and brothers of Kerala. I am delighted to be in Palakkad and address my first rally in the state from here. The people of Palakkad have had a close bond with our party. Today, I have come among you to seek your blessings for the BJP in the upcoming state elections. I have come to you with a vision that is refreshingly different from the current situation in Kerala. Friends, over the last few years, the politics of Kerala is seeing a major shift. This shift is being driven by the aspiration of the youth, especially the first-time voter in the state. The first-time voter of Kerala is disappointed with LDF and UDF. For many years, the worst-kept secret of Kerala politics was the friendly agreement of UDF and LDF. Now, the first time voter of Kerala is asking, what is this match fixing? 5 years, one loots. 5 years, the other loots. People are seeing how UDF and LDF misled people. In West Bengal, Congress and left are one. Congress and left were partners in UPA 1 in Delhi. The left continued to give issue-based support to UPA 2, but here in Kerala, during the election, they put allegations. And after coming to power, they never act on it. Their behind the scene games are now exposed. About UDF and LDF, the youth of Kerala is saying different name, working same, but have their marked areas for making money. UDF has not even spared the rays of the sun. About LDF, it can be said, Judas betrayed Lord Christ for a few pieces of silver. LDF has betrayed Kerala for a few pieces of gold.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our super supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.